What's up guys, go back with another video. Today we're gonna have a look at a brand new budget-friendly earbuds from Willful. Now these are gonna be the T1 Bluetooth earphones, earbuds from Willful. I'll drop a link down in the description where you guys can check these out. Now these are gonna cost approximately $25 on Amazon, and right now there is a promotion for 20% off. So you can use this little coupon available on Amazon for an extra 20% off, and you can also use the down below description a promo code which will give you an extra 10%. So this is going to bring down to 30% off on your complete order. So for $25, this is going to bring down to approximately $18. Not sure when the promotion will end, so get it while it's still available. Now this is going to come in two colorways. We've got the white version for $25, and then you can add the black model if you would like the glossy black version for $26. It's about an extra $1, and once again you're going to get the 20% off promo code, and you can use the down below description for an extra 10%. The shipping time was relatively super quick. It took about 1 week to arrive, which is very fast for a package. When it comes to the specification of the T1 Bluetooth earbuds, these are going to come with a Bluetooth 5.0, which will give you a great stability when it comes to the Bluetooth connection between this device and your phone. You're also going to get 4 hours of listening time per charge at 50% volume, with few extra charges, up to 20 hours in total with the case, which is pretty good, especially for under $20. Now one thing I like about the T1 Willful is that you're going to have a similar design as the AirPods 2s, which means you're going to have a similar comfort as the AirPods 2s, but one difference between these two is that you're going to have a better fit with this model. So I'm going to have a look. Once you receive the package, it's going to say T1 in the front of the box, and then the brand Willful also in the bottom of the model name. And then on the side we do have a little hole which allows you to push out the box, and then on the back of the box we do have the specification of the product. And of course, once again, here it says Bluetooth 5.0, 4 hours of listening time at 50% volume. So let's check out the T1 Bluetooth earbuds and see how good they're going to be, especially for under $20 at this time. The first thing you'll see once you open the box is a questionnaire that asks you if you're happy with the product or if you are not happy. And if you do open the package right here, you're gonna have information on how to contact the company if you got any questions. The next thing you'll see in the box is the user manual, which we got the design of the earbuds right here, and of course the model name. And in this user manual you're going to have different languages, a total of 6 different languages, which will help you, show you and guide you how to use this actual product. Now I already know how to use it, I'm going to guide you guys how to use it. The next thing you'll see, of course, is the Bluetooth earbuds, the T1 from Willful. This is the charging case. I did pick up the white version. Finally in the box you are going to have the charging cable, which will be the micro USB to USB-A, as you can tell right here. I believe 10 minutes of charging is going to give you approximately 1 hour or 1 hour and a half of listening time. So here is a close look of the charging case of the T1 Bluetooth earbuds. Here is the front. It does have a very similar design as the AirPods Pros that I got right here. Very similar design when it comes to the front, except that the LED right here is on the back of the case. We also have the charging port, which once again is going to be the micro USB. Now in the bottom of the case we do have some informations on the product, some logos, and once again the model number. If we do open up the lid, we do have the earbuds inside the charging case, and here are the LEDs of the earbuds. Now there are different colors. If it's blinking red, that being said, they're being charged. If they're blinking in blue and red, that means that they're in pairing mode. And finally, if they're blinking in blue, that means that they're paired to your device. And these are physical buttons which allow you to play, pause, skip to the previous or next song, or simply activate Google Assistant or Siri. And the good thing about this case is that it's not going to close by itself. As you can see, it is not closing by itself. If you do push it a little bit, it's still not going to close by itself. Now when it comes to the carrying case, they're pretty good quality, and then when it comes to the earbuds, they're also a decent quality. Now when it comes to the build quality of the case, I do feel that these have a decent quality. They're very light, which is very good when it comes to carrying it with you. These are not going to be very heavy. Here's a close look of the earbuds. Once again, we do have the LEDs. Now they're blinking red and blue, which means that they're in pairing mode. We do have this very similar design, like I said, just like the AirPods 2s. So these are going to be very comfortable, just like the real AirPods 2s from Apple. Now the difference between these and the AirPods 2s is that we do have this little edge right here, this design is going to help you have a better fit than AirPods 2, so they do not tend to fall if you do start jumping or jogging. We also have the brand, which is Willful. Now connecting these to your device is going to be really simple. It's the same thing for Android or iOS devices. All you have to do is simply take them out of the case and then go to your Bluetooth settings until you see a device called T1, and then you can tap on it to connect to your device. Once they're connected, you can tap on the eye information to change the name of the device to whatever you want, or you can simply disconnect. So now I have the earbuds in my ear. They do have a really secured fit, very comfortable, just like the AirPods 2s. And now let's test out the sound quality. So yeah, the sound quality of the T1 from Willful is really good. They do have a lot of bass, and they have really crispy clearness in the audio. Really high quality sound. The build quality of the earbuds feels pretty high quality, and when it comes to build quality of the case, it feels 50-50, pretty decent. But for $20, this is a very good deal. Guys, in my phone test of the T1 Bluetooth earbuds, really affordable, budget-friendly Bluetooth earbuds from Willful that you can get on Amazon. This is my phone test, raw audio coming straight from the microphone. And like I said, these Bluetooth earbuds are going to have the touch controls with the physical button right here. So if you want to play or pause music, all you have to do is simply press once. And then as you can see, the music is playing. Press once again, and the music will pause. And if you double press on the earbuds, it's going to go to the next song. And if you double press on the left earbud, it's going to go to the previous song. Another thing that I like about these earbuds, other than the sound quality and a great fit, is that you'll be able to control the volume straight from these earbuds compared to the AirPods Pros. For $250, you cannot even control the volume. So to control the volume of the earbuds, all you have to do is simply tap 3 times. So this is the left earbuds. It's going to decrease the volume, and on the right earbuds, if you tap 3 times, this is going to increase the volume. Obviously, when I was 14, you'll be able to see how much battery life are in these earbuds. They're approximately right now at 95%. You can also scroll down right here. You'll have that little headphones logo with the battery percentage over there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. This is the T1 from Willful. Definitely recommend these earbuds, especially for under $20 right now with the promotion available. Sound quality is really good, especially for $20. This is way better than I expected. If you got any questions, comment below in this video and I'll respond to them. Once again, links will be down in the description where you guys can check these out, but also this discount code for an extra 10% additional to the 20% from Amazon. Other than that, hope you guys have a great day. Make sure to give a big thumbs up to this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies higher and higher.